What's up? It's finally time for the computer upgrade. Going from this to this. Alright guys, first thing we're going to be unboxing is the new monitor. It's a MSI, it's a 1440p, 144Hz monitor. So, let's get cracking. Oh. Okay, so first thing in the box is all of the wiring components, user manuals, so y'all don't care about that, and some more. I just want to have it already. Oh!
Oh, that was nice.
Alright everybody, so the reason that I got the new computer and did the upgrade that I did, I've had this computer, this laptop, for over 5 years now. It's an old ASUS. Ever since I put Windows 10 on it, it's been crashing hard. Plus, the fan is atrocious and gone. So it's definitely time to get a new one. There it is. You can hear it. It's junk. So that's the reason I'm getting rid of it. I'm gonna hand this one out of here, and we're gonna open up this bad boy. And the money shot. Boom. So this is a computer. Don't let the package deceive you. It's not purple and white. I actually went with the matte black and the red. As far as the contents, we got the puck cable management, or the headset hanger, what a lot of people use it for. Got some more cables. Looks like our power cables. Oh, we got a little sack of cables. More goodies. So that's all the connectors, stuff you don't need to worry about. Alright, now the good stuff. Oh, I'm gonna have to get a hold of it. Oh. This is the puck, the cable management puck. It's got like a little channel in here that you can wire your headset, do whatever, wrap it up. But this was one thing that I liked and one thing I wanted to get because I can hang my headset, plus it's magnetic to the front of the computer, which is pretty convenient. Alright guys, so this is the inside of the computer. As far as the specs go, we went with the i9-9900K. It's an 8-core for the CPU. The GPU, I went with the GeForce. It's a 2060 graphics card. So I didn't want to go full-blown 2080. I don't really have a need for all that right now. So the 2060 should get me plenty of what I want to do. As far as like RAM, you can see the two up here. We have 16 gigabytes of the 3200 megahertz. So we'll probably end up adding more in the future, but for right now, that should get me pretty far. Other things like the cooling, we went with the Kraken 72, and all the other specs I'm going to list in the description. As far as the hardware, is like the case, the hard drive, SSD stuff, that'll all be listed in the description. But now let's power it on and see what it looks like. That's nice. Much better than the other one. Not loud. And I do like the infinity mirror that we've got. on top of the CPU. That's pretty sweet. I'm pretty proud of it. I'm happy with what I've got from NZXT. They did a killer job, and I look forward to getting after it. And now I have to download a bunch of stuff to get my to get my computer back to the way I had it. So if you guys wouldn't mind, hit the subscribe button, like, and we should have more videos coming in the soon future. I f***ed that all up. Turn it off.